So listen, I need a stand. If you know who I am, then you know me from this.
My name's Alex Char. I'm 18 years old and I live in Dallas, Texas, and I am addicted to Fifth Harmony.
And if you don't, I'd just like to clarify that I used to be absolutely feral. I'm talking deranged for Fifth Harmony.
Oh my god! This is Dino Snapchat story! That's me! That's me!
Quite literally so that when I was 15, 16 years old, it was my career. I didn't want to go to college. I just wanted to be like a Fifth Harmony scientist, like a Fifth Harmony ontologist. That was my thing. But now I'm 25 and I'm older and I don't really have any obsessions other than money. So I'm gonna be studying some of the biggest icons right now to see if I can find a new stan. So I've decided to pick 3 categories: K-pop, pop, and female rappers.
Like keep it a stack. Bitches move on cause they know I got bands.
We're looking specifically at BTS, Hot Pink, Taylor Swift, Harry Styles, Ice Spice, and Coi Leray. Look, I am not a millennial, okay? I am Gen Z. I'm 25 years old, born in 1998. I made the cutoff, but I don't know anything about a lot of these people, to be honest. So, but you know, you gotta learn. We've transformed. We're in the stew. We're gonna start with K-pop. I literally know absolutely nothing about K-pop. All right, so we're gonna start with BTS. I've heard this song before, I'm pretty sure. Cute. I bet the dating rumors about these dudes are crazy. I bet so many people ship certain ones of them. Like I bet it's out of control. Done with this one. Let's watch something. Let's watch them live. I'd like to see them live. Oh, I wonder if they can actually sing. Okay. Okay, I've made my assumption. So I think that BTS is really good. Like for a boy band, like they're poppin'. They make good music. They're all very cute. But I have determined that being a BTS stan is like really for somebody who's like feral, like fanfic-esque. It's not for me. Like it's for somebody, but it's not for me. I'll definitely listen and support, but this is not my stan right here. Let's move on to Hot Pink. Hot Pink, we're looking for K-pop. Is that right? Hot Pink. Okay, why didn't anything freaking come up? I thought they were freaking huge. Also, all of these are from 7 years ago. Am I like off? 7 years ago. Blackpink, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. That is so embarrassing. I feel like I'm fucking 90 years old right now. That literally what I just experienced is probably the single most embarrassing thing that can happen to a human being. I can't even re-record that. I've been calling them Hot Pink this entire time. Okay, all this love. I don't think I know any Hot Pink songs. Okay, I am so sorry. I would like to formally apologize to the people of the internet, to the Hot Pink, to the Blackpink stans. I would like to formally apologize to the K-pop community. I'd like to apologize to anybody who was targeted or felt particularly hurt by this video. Anyway, here's the video. This is doing something for me. I didn't think it would. I really didn't. Bro, I'm shook. Literally, I didn't think I was gonna like it. Oh my gosh, this was a joke. This was a joke. Like, I didn't think I was actually gonna, like, it was just for content. It was just for content. This, I'm 58 freaking seconds in. Honey, I think I found it. Like, legit. The way that I have chills, I have not felt this way. I haven't felt this way since Fifth Harmony. I haven't felt this way since 2015, honey. Okay, I have to know how old they are because this is starting to go too far. Black Pink group ages. Okay, oh, cool. They're 28, 27, 25, 25. I'm 25. I don't feel weird watching it. Just wanted to like double check because it was getting a little too serious. I'm literally setting myself up to get hurt. Like, the inner 5H stan in me is like, don't do it, girl. Don't look into this after this video. Like, just leave it. Just be a casual fan. But I don't know if I can enjoy things casually. All right, let's see them at Coachella. This is good. This is good. All right, here's the girls. Oh my gosh, this is giving me PTSD. So I want to say a quick thank you to our sponsors, Rose Gold Co. Oh wait, we don't have a sponsor, so it's me. That's right, Rose Gold Co. is my business. I don't know if I should be doing this to myself. Oh my gosh, and if you don't know what that is, it is a small LGBT owned, myself, I'm the owner, Pride store. So if you need anything for Pride, gender affirming products, things like that, we have all kinds of different things that you can check out to affirm your identity. We have things like chest binders, rainbow flags, different flags for demi, asexual, non-binary, everything that you can think of. Your one-stop shop for all things Pride or Pride related or gender affirming. So if you like it, check it out. And if you use the code AlexCanDo that, you can get 20% off. Wow, that's a big stage. I mean, I'm gonna change the name of this video. This video is now gonna be called Alex Discovers K-Pop. Or Hot... Again! I would like to formally apologize yet again. Anyway, this... I think it's something about the effect that like multiple women in a group have on me. Oh gee.
But think of those 5 beautiful girls.
I know! I think if 5 women that looked like this walked up to me and was like, hey, give me the routing and checking number to your bank account and you can live with us. This is a cult. Like, quite literally, this is a cult. You might die by the end of this. Do you want to join? I'd be like, yeah. Yeah. Look at you. Look at them. But if it was just one, it wouldn't have the same effect. That's why I feel like, I don't even know if I'm gonna watch the rest of them. If I watch like I Spy Taylor Swift, I don't know if I'm gonna watch them because they're just one person and I really feel like they won't have the same effect on me. Let's finish this performance. How long have they been together? How late am I? How long has Hot... Oh my god! With my dearest sincerity and regret. How long has Black Pink been a group? Since 2016. I know. Since 2016 they've been together. I was distracted. Because I was into Fifth Harmony and any other girl group could kick rocks, brother. I'm embarrassed that they've been a group for, how long is that?
It's 2023. 3, 4, that's embarrassing as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 years. I was interested in Ice Spice, I really was. I was like, maybe this will be my new girl. But I think that Blackpink is my new stan. And I really need to be careful because I know myself. So anyway, we should look up their names and their birthdays. So there's Jennie, Jizzo, Hiso, Lisa, Rose. I like Rose. And let's look at just pictures of them. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Hot pink. Why did I'm sorry. Okay, well anyway, yeah. I found my new stan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. 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 Subscribe.